One of the strategies that keeps me calm is to read a spiritual poem with special meaning to me and make it my theme for the day, week, or even for the month. After I read the full poem, I like to go back and read a verse or two to reflect on it as I go about my day. I consider it a form of meditation. I find that it gives my day another layer of meaning, and sometimes I am hit with an idea or thought I never had before. Want to give it a try? Here is a poem I recently found by John O'Donohue. I find the poem motivating as I continue on my life's mission. Let me know what you think. Share any other poems or daily affirmations you find helpful.
May the light of your soul guide you. May the light of your soul bless the work you do with the secret love and warmth of your heart. May you see in what you do the beauty of your own soul. May the sacredness of your work bring healing, light, and renewal to those who work with you and to those who see and receive your work. May your work never weary you. May it release within you wellsprings of refreshment, inspiration, and excitement. May you be present in what you do. May you never become lost in the bland absences. May the day never burden you. May dawn find you awake and alert, approaching your new day with dreams, possibilities, and promises. May evening find you gracious and fulfilled. May you go into the night blessed, sheltered, and protected. May your soul calm, console, and renew you.